The Sharp AQUOS S3 is an insane value phone that costs just about $135, but it brings a lot of value to the table, and here's why. First, it's got a really nice design and excellent build quality. We have a metal frame, nice metal buttons, and a nice glass backplate. The build quality is just top-notch, and the phone feels like a flagship device despite such a low price. The display is so good that it can easily rival even $300 or even $400 phones. It's really sharp, vivid, and it has great contrast. Sunlight legibility is pretty good too. Well, the panel is made by Sharp after all. Downsides about the design: the screen has a notch and there is no headphone jack. Sponsorships really help my channel and allow me to buy new phones solely for review purposes like Sharp AQUOS S3. I really appreciate your time and understanding. PDFelement Pro is a powerful PDF file editor that has minimalist yet powerful user interface. This application has a full-featured word processor that lets you edit PDF files with ease, convert them to Office files, and so on and so forth. With this software, you can easily edit, convert, create, secure, and work with PDFs, including scanned documents. I also like the fact that you can add annotations and notes to documents, protect documents with passwords, redactation tools, and so much more. Check out the video description and start editing with the PDFelement Pro. One of the reasons why you get a great bang for your buck with a Sharp AQUOS S3, very good specifications for the price. Those specs translate to great gaming performance too. Games like Asphalt Extreme or Shadow Fight 3 run absolutely fine even on the highest graphics settings. Even the PUBG runs fine on medium graphics, which is not the case with most of the phones in this price range. The day-to-day performance is very good too, but we have a heavily customized user interface that is built on top of slightly outdated Android 8.0. I wouldn't call this my favorite UI, but I'm glad to see a few added features and customization options. The most important aspect, speed and responsiveness, and Sharp AQUOS S3 ticks that box. One of my favorite features of this device, fast and accurate face unlock feature. You simply pick up the phone and it will be unlocked automatically without the need to click the power button. The fingerprint scanner is really fast and accurate too. Both the dual cameras and the front-facing shooter have plenty of megapixels to play with. I have to say that the overall image quality is pretty amazing for such a cheap phone. The pictures have a lot of detail, sharpness, and you can even get decent 2x digital zoom images. You simply can't get anything better at this price range in terms of the overall image quality. The cameras can even take usable low-light pictures, which is not always the case with cheap devices. Even the video recording quality is great and the phone can shoot videos in 4K. Selfie video quality is very good too. Check out my Facebook page for more camera samples and be the judge. All the links will be down below the video. Other key features of the device include a pretty good loudspeaker, NFC, USB Type-C, USB OTG support, and a tiny yet really useful LED notification light. I also love the phone because it is reliable in the connectivity department and the call quality has been really good all the time. The battery life is quite impressive too. While you may not always get over 11 hours of screen on time, you can rest assured that the device will get you through the day. Lastly, I like that the phone ships with an EU charger that can fully charge the phone in just about 1 hour and 40 minutes. You can also find a high-quality USB Type-C cable, a pair of earphones, and a nice case to protect your phone. Even though the Sharp AQUOS S3 deserves a lot of praise, it has a few flaws to consider. First of all, it has only one SIM card slot, which is a really strange decision by Sharp. The secondary slot is used for microSD cards. Other shortcomings include the notch design, the lack of the headphone jack, and lastly, the sharp skin that is built on top of slightly outdated Android 8.0 might not appeal to everyone's taste, even though the phone is smooth and responsive on a daily basis. Despite these shortcomings, I still think that the Sharp AQUOS S3 is a fantastic phone for the price. While it's not perfect, I can easily recommend it as one of the best budget smartphone deals you can get for the money. Do you agree with me or not? Drop me a comment down below. Also drop me a comment down below if you have any questions about this phone. Like the video if you liked it. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, it was Linus. Thank you for watching and see you soon.